Hello everyone, welcome to the Oracle Integration Native Actions Prebuilt Solution demo. So here we are on the Oracle Integration homepage. Let's browse the store, and this is where we have made 240 plus prebuilt solutions. Let's search for our solution. Let me search for native. As I search, I will see the solution available. So this is a solution that synchronizes a file from file server to the object storage. As I click on get, the solution will be made available in the form of project. Let me click refresh. As I refresh, yes, we can see the solution is available. The beautiful thing about this solution is there are no connection whatsoever because it is using the native actions. And the easy part about using this solution is you don't need to do any configuration. All you need to do is just activate, configure any parameters if you need to, and then run. That's all you need to do. So let's quickly refresh the screen. Yes, solution is active. Let me run the flow. Now here we see that it's taking certain parameters. First it is taking bucket location. So let me go to the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, and here is a bucket location. Let me type in the right bucket location name over here. So this is taken care of. Next is bucket name. Let me go back to the Oracle Cloud Console, and here I can see the bucket name which is correctly configured. Next is the FTP file path. So let's go to the FTP folder. Yes, it is already correctly configured, so no need for any configuration. And archive is for the archival purposes. So to run this use case, what we are doing is let us upload one sample file onto the FTP, and this file will be uploaded onto the bucket as we execute the solution. So this file, if you go to the bucket, we'll see it does not exist right now. And as we run the flow, it will be made available. So let's go to the Oracle integration and run the flow. While we are running the flow, we'll see in a moment activity stream starts showing up. You can refresh, you can scroll down to see the progress and refresh again. Hopefully it is done by now. If I scroll again down, I'll see that yes, processing is complete. As processing complete, if I refresh the FTP folder, I'll see file is moved. And if I go to the bucket and do a refresh, I will see that file is now available on the bucket. So we saw how easily we were able to move the file from the FTP file server to the OCI bucket. Let's now go to the flow design. See how easily we have implemented it. So initially we set some parameters over here. Next, we queried for the file from the file server. Next, we downloaded the file from the file server, and we uploaded the file to the object storage and then eventually archived. If everything goes well, we log the success message. If there are any errors, we log the error message too. So that's how easily we were able to implement the entire flow by leveraging the native actions. That's all for my demo. I hope you found it useful. Thank you so much for your time.